Today, we will discuss a few facts on how to potty train your Yorkie puppy. If you've just got yourself a Yorkie at your house, you need to start potty training it while it's still young. In this video, you'll learn everything about how to potty train a Yorkshire Terrier, so make sure you watch till the end. Make sure to hit that subscribe button now so that you do not miss out on future videos. When it comes to Yorkshire Terrier potty training, it isn't as difficult as some people think, although it demands patience and hard work. Keep following this video to learn all the tips you need to know to potty train your Yorkshire puppy properly. A lot of owners are interested to know the right age to begin pottying a Yorkie. Before we go to the techniques of potty training, the best age to start potty training would be the earlier you get started, the better it is. The best age is when your puppy is at least 3 months old. This is because during the first couple of months, your puppy needs proper attention to his health and well-being, whereas in the second month is the period when it starts getting into its senses. This is a sensitive period when the puppy just starts learning new stuff about the outside world. Another crucial thing you have to keep in mind is the 15 minutes rule, which seems to be working for any type of breed. This rule says that you must wait at least 15 minutes for your dog to complete his potty business. Your reactions to the accidents your dogs might cause is also very important. Some situations might be difficult, but you must remain calm and keep your cool when your dog makes an accident. Keep in mind that their bladder is small, and it's really hard for them to keep the urine for a long period. In general, a 3-month-old puppy can control itself for at most 3 hours, while this increases with age. Always expect your dog to run into potty accidents. Keep in mind that punishment isn't the key. Before we move on to the steps that you should implement to properly potty train this breed, there's another thing to keep in mind. You must be persistent in your potty training. Although it might not yield instant results, it is important that you keep trying and keep your calm. Give it some time to get used to the training. Just like with any other training, potty training demands some hard work from you as a Yorkshire Terrier owner. The maximum amount of time you need to consider for potty training is at least 4 weeks. After 4 weeks, you're expected to get some positive results. One of the steps that you should start from is getting to know the body language of your dog. When it comes to peeing or pooping, you must carefully observe how your dog behaves when it needs to use its bathroom. It doesn't take too much time to get an idea of the situation. Behaviors like this often include smelling the floor, wagging his tail at an awkward angle, or simply walking stiffly. You need to make sure you are there to tell him where to go when you see him acting this way. You are the one who should firstly support and let him know what to do next. Another important step is dedicating a designated area for your dog's bathroom. Whether it's indoor or an outdoor area, it doesn't really matter. The only thing that matters is that it has to be one specific area. It's important not to change the spot often because you'll end up really confusing your dog as to where he should go and finish the potty business. They need to know exactly where they need to go when the time to pee comes, and most importantly, don't let your dog choose the area. Rather, teach him which area you want, and it's most suitable for everyone. Always keep the area you have dedicated for your Yorkie's potty business clean. If the designated area gets dirty, it will make your dog feel uncomfortable going there. This can even undermine all the efforts you've done. The area should be accessible in all seasons, whether it's sunny, raining, or snowing. Your dog must be able to go to the area where he can finish his potty business. Often, owners choose a spot that is easily accessed during summer, but it's impossible to go there in winter. This will only end up confusing your dog. For those owners who are not at home most of the time and can't leave their dog on the outside, using an indoor potty pad is a must. The potty pad can be very useful as it can be easily cleaned and reduces the need to look after your dog. While teaching your dog to use the same spot, you have to pick a cue command or a cue word. It could be anything like good potty or good boy. Whenever you take your dog to the designated area, pass the cue command in a really happy and friendly tone. And when your dog is done, pass the cue command again, along with praising and rewarding the good behavior. This makes your dog associate the cue command with good bathroom behavior, since this breed loves to behave well. Moreover, hearing the good sounds coming from your command tells them they made something good that made Mummy or Daddy happy. You have to get really happy and let them know they did a great thing. Besides a cue command, you can also have your potty area set up with a potty treat. Whenever they go to the potty area, they get a treat. It doesn't have to be a big treat. It can be a small treat of any kind. It's just rewarding their good behavior. This is especially important when you start to potty train, as it encourages your dog to keep repeating the same behavior to get the treat. So, what do you think about the how to potty train a Yorkshire Terrier? Let us know in the comments and share your experience with other interested dog owners.